it's your boy like Rick Flair. UGK the major, Wayne I play it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock near. Bands on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you not hear? Indies taking over and we got the whole shop, yeah. Her, she wanna know me better, but I'm on the top 10. Gotta match my energy, you see I'm in the top, yeah. Yeah, it's top 10, hey, hey.
Welcome. Please pay your
Good morning. We are at Cars at Common 5. Yeah, we got Adam's car over there, we have mine, and the E82 is here too. So everyone's just kind of hanging out. There is a casual GT3 hanging out over there too, which is pretty nice. Yeah, this is the start of a really crazy week for us because our first event is Cars at Common, and then after that we are going to RWB Utah to watch a build, and then to Luft and Gunther Works. So this is all literally happening in the next couple days, so welcome to the craziest series of all time. I was waving to them, but they don't see me.
Welcome to Cars at Common. It's an awesome car event hosted by LowendGarage, the same crew behind Checked It Out. It happens right in the heart of Lincoln Park in Chicago, and it happens twice a year. Each time the cars that are displayed are totally unique. There are no repeats in the plaza ever. And we've been to every single one, and it's always super respectful, well run. It's such a cool city meet. Today we're rolling up with a black Porsche 951, and you might think it's just a 944, but no, it's actually a turbocharged version with a 2.5 liter inline 4. It's got stiffer suspension from the factory and a different front bumper. Only about 25,000 were made, but it's definitely a really cool car. There was some pretty heavy rains this day and also some pretty strong winds.
Try to stay dry.
Stay dry, yeah.
Actually, we got a good spot.
Yeah, that's great. That's a great one. I like the way it fits.
Morning, you might go flying.
I might fly. Yeah, you're right. Sometimes it happens.
It'll be windy. It'll
I know.
probably be more windy up there.
Yeah.
You'll recognize the interior.
Oh, time to go look. Oh, so cool. Yeah, and look at the phone. That's so cool.
I had them upholster to the pole position side.
Yeah.
Because the bride is narrower. So it
And the car phone, it's accurate. That's awesome. It looks really cool. This is good.
Oh my gosh,
Right?
Well done, well done. Downstairs is pretty cool. There's a lot going on. The 951 is here, it's slammed. We'll give a little tour about that here in a little bit. But there's a lot of really cool stuff. There's a Shelby GT350 here. There's a 993 over there. It's a lot of really cool stuff as always. So this is pretty sweet. The weather is looking just like Cars in Common 4. It's really windy right now. It's supposed to be raining in a little while, but the wind is pretty strong at the moment. But hopefully it's not gonna rain. raining now, but let me give you a small tour of the 951. Let me try to bump this up a little bit. These are Recaro pole positions with custom upholstering. My focus isn't focusing properly. There you go. They're pretty nice in there. They're slammed on these original Porsche speed lines, I believe. So those are pretty sweet. Trunk accent, if you will. I'm gonna lower this down. Oh, and it has the build list. 18-inch speed lines, Recaro pole positions, Lindsay Racing short shifters, all the fun stuff. H&R coils. It's a great car. I love this thing. It's raining again. So this is Cars That Come in 5, and my last one at Cars That Come in 4, we were also raining, and all my stuff is wet. Let me take a picture of what this looks like right now. Yeah, it's it's pretty wet, and it's starting to come down. All right, up we go, up we go.
So at this point, we decided to go back upstairs. The cool part about Lincoln Common is that it's sort of two shows at once. You have the garage portion that's upstairs, and you have the common square itself. The rain started to come down, and it wasn't as bad as Common 4, but it definitely was not dry either. I think that one of the coolest parts about Lincoln Common in general is not only how cool of a location it is, but also the diversity in the cars. And it's really just a huge party for everybody. This is Justin, the owner and founder of Big Boost Performance. The 951 ended up having an oil light right when it parked for the show. EJ texted Justin and he came to the show fully prepared. If you're new here and seeing Big Boost for the first time, they are amazing, detail-oriented people that always take care of us. PPC or Pinoy Porsche Club bring all our cars here, including ourselves. They take care of RWB Nora, if that's saying anything about trust. Justin and the Big Boost team came with us to RWB Indiana, and Justin himself helped Nakai build RWB Corn Dog. Justin and the Big Boost team are our trusted guides for absolutely everything, not to mention that low-end founder Adam also goes to Big Boost.
Justin never has a day off.
No.
It's perfect. But we found PPC, and Justin actually came out here because the 951 had an oil pressure light go off. So he actually just topped it off for us. Literally, that's what that whole situation was. It was really cool. So Justin, thank you for always coming out and supporting us. But just a big shout out to Big Boost. They will literally come out wherever, whenever to help you out. But yeah, the show is really, really good. They're packed down here, which is awesome. There's a Storado hiding back there. The Hachiroko is out there, and it looks really clean. We can walk around that real quick. So Hachi, super, super cool. Carbon hood, it looks like there's some like work underneath. It looks purple. Wheels are correct. Everything, it's just so correct. It's just such cool, like I said, the diversity here is so cool. Like you have 32 GTR there, 993 over there, slammed on air Accord, a Jag, Mustang, C8, 135 that's track built, Hachiroku, a Viper, and a 951. Like, and that's just this side. There's so much more on the other side. This show is so good, so good. All right, I'm gonna keep on filming. This is my setup today that we're running. Oh, also, in my pocket. I found this camera at like a vintage thrift, and we finally got it running and working. It's hard to focus, but that is the photos. I'm gonna display some of the photos now, but they look really, really cool. Yeah, this camera is awesome. I'm gonna take that to the trip when we go, so I hope that that turns out well too. I love it. Oh, it's so cool. I love this thing. I've always loved 300s, but this one, really nice. The red interior, white, oh, and the kit lights. Pretty cool.
Juan has taken nothing away from this show.
Except the dog. What's the dog's name?
Airborne.
Banksy.
Banksy.
Airborne.
Literally airborne. Holy shit, dude. Oh, man. Oh, that's so cool. See? Community.
If Cars at Common has shown me anything the past few years, it's that this community is alive and kicking. Genuine folks are out there with or without a car, and every single one has a story worth hearing. Being here in Chicago gave me such a strong sense of home before we headed off on a wild adventure to Utah and Los Angeles. I hope you enjoyed this video style. It's a bit different for me, but I think it's a vibe I'm going to keep going with. If you did enjoy it, I'd appreciate subscribing to support the channel. See you next time.
So my dad said that by next year he wants to do this 135. I told him maybe he should start with getting a new trunklet taillight.
Oh, oh, damn. That's crazy.
Top flip, UGK the major way, not play it, it don't stop here. Traffic lights, we going, know the time until the clock near. Bands on roll, we doing digi to the whole block clear. Yo, what you got there? Oh, did you know?